from the kid of Hong Kong, introducing Cube. Low octane gameplay. Wait. You say you have seen this game? Or you say that I copied Danny? Okay, but I'm still gonna introduce it. Unity, the game engine for professional use, used to create 3-dimensional games and 2-dimensional games. But I'm different. I use it to create AAA game. So let me introduce the game. First, there's a ground. Second, we have a blue square. It would be our player. Wait, isn't it you call this game Cube? Why would you use a square? Because I'm. Third, there's a red square. It would be our enemy. The enemies chase you and attack you until you die. So I give you a gun, or you can pick up the gun on the ground and shoot. Danny! And kill the enemies and you win. No, I made this game endless. Definitely no, I don't know how to make the answer. Okay, the basic is done. Yeah, just that simple. There are few types of enemies that I copied from them added to this game. Definitely. First is the pistol enemy. Nothing special, just boring. Like this game. Second, I don't really know how to call this guy because I don't know how to call the gun of the enemy. It shoots 3 bullets at a time. Third, shoot. Okay, I won't say this again. I won't say this again. Trust me. It shoots 5 bullets a time. Fourth, sniper enemy. Shoots higher speed and higher damage bullets. Fifth, the creeper bomb enemy. Blows up when it dies. Sixth, flying enemy. Last one, Billy Fat Boy. Jumps high and drops down. Is it just me or this enemy is looking kinda? So these are all the things. Yeah. Hey Mike. Mick? I don't have the weapons that's strong enough to beat them. Because I'm a noob. How can I beat those enemies? The enemies will sometimes drop some weapons. Like shots. I'm not gonna say that again. Shotgun. And the weapon of... I don't really know how to call this guy because I don't know how to call the gun of the enemy. Also, the sniper rifle. Okay, I think that's the most normal one. Yeah, so these are all the things. Yeah, I know. This game sucks, boring, and bad. So download it now! Or I will call my dad. I need everyone feels my pain. Just kidding. So check out the project link in the description. You can modify it if you are that boring. I think that's the end of this video. What should I do in the future? Maybe I will join a game jam or something. Or just make a new game. I don't know. If you want me to do something, you can comment down below. Thanks. So, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. And be your